Hello everyone. Next video I will make like 1 or 2 hour later, so you can wait for my next video. And next video, what's about, I will discuss. I don't know. Still, I do not select any topic, but maybe I will talk about my room or not my daily work. So that's why. And within this time, within before this 2 hours, what I will do? I will watch my service related video, and I will gain knowledge. I will learn something from this because I am a digital marketer. So today I will watch 2 or 3 videos about digital marketer, especially about ads manager, how it will run and how get access to the buyer. And today also I will watch movie. Today I bring 2 movies. Both are Korean language, but both are very excellent and very thriller movie, and you will enjoyable if you watch this movie. If you watch this movie, you also enjoy, because you and many people there are many people who will not like Korean movie because they will not understand the language. I know that nobody can understand the language. I also do not understand the language of Korean, but I will see the subtitle. Actually, there will maybe there have subtitle of English, so I will understand with this subtitle, and the history and position, the location will understand everyone. The one what's will going on, what's is happening, what is going on, and that's etc. After looking this, there are many people will understand. So that's why I will looking while watching this, and gradually maybe it will helpful for me. First time when we started watching Hindi movie, that time also it was very difficult. What's going on, what's they are saying. That time also I do not understand their language, but now it takes many times, it takes many years to understanding that. But in Hindi is easy than the other language, so that's why it is gaining knowledge about Hindi, it is easy. But the Korean language is so difficult, and their writing also difficult. So that's why it will take many times than the other language, and maybe it's possible to learn. I don't know. Maybe not possible, because it is impossible to learn Korean language. Because for also maybe if possible, if you gain knowledge deeply, if you concerned very deeply, then maybe it will help for you. So today what movie you will watch? Today I will watch what movie I bring. I bring one, the name of The Killer. This movie released this year, and other one is what's okay, I forget the name of this movie, so sorry today.